This is the start of Copper's 6th day in training, and we are just leaving to go on our walk. He takes a morning walk and an evening walk every single day. It doesn't matter if it's raining or shining, he still goes. It's pouring down rain on us right now. But that won't make us melt. Copper heel. His little nose is going. Leave it, bub. Good heel. Even though his nose could take him wherever, especially to the end of this leash, he's staying right next to me. Nice loose leash. Good boy. Leave it. Good heel. Exposure to the rain is a positive, just in case you ever take him camping someday and or hiking and it starts to rain on you. You don't want it to be a negative for him. Good boy. Good heel. Good. Training isn't rocket science. It's just a matter of being consistent every single day. So every single day we consistently get his energy exerted by exercising through our walks. Good boy. Leave it. Good. You can see it is coming down kind of hard right now. Good boy. Good heel, buddy. Good boy.